we've just checked into our room and we're paying more than we normally do for this one. It's like £30 a night, which is at the upper end of our budget. And I thought we were just getting something like the standard for the money because everywhere here is in Phi Phi is like expensive, even though it's not as nice. And we paid for a garden view, I think.
We paid for, I think, a double room garden view.
A standard room. This is what we've got. Quite nice. Yeah, little dressing table. And then we have a balcony with a sea view, with lounges. Who needs to go down to the beach when you've got lounges? And this is the view. Wow. Well, I didn't realise we were getting this.
Me neither. I'm not complaining.
Just walking back from dinner and the sky, I'm not joking, is neon blue. Yeah, look at it. I don't know what is going on. There's a thunderstorm going on over here. Oh, what good timing. And the sky over here is literally the same colour as the water. I'm confused.
And this is like how it looks in the camera is actually how it looks in real life.
Yeah, that's mad.
I'm confused.
Good morning! We're back in the cafe again, on the other side. It's very loud in here. They're playing some loud music, but it's good.
So my food's arrived. Blueberries and Nutella, avocado on toast, and Carla's French toast is here. Why is it built like a house? Wow.
And a whole jar of maple syrup.
All for you.
Probably would drink this straight.
I could.
Quite quick. Very nice.
Cheers. Oh. Got a drink. Strawberry shake. Strawberry, what's it called?
Strawberry Italian.
Oh. And we just splashed out. Well, we didn't splash out, but we bought some diving masks, snorkel masks from an actual dive place, so they're good ones. And your little snorkel and a little, where are they? Back straps. And these. Cute. Back in the sea we go with our new masks. 0% That's really good. Yeah. They're spraying a mosquito spray around the trees and the huts, but it looks so cool. Trying to go to a viewpoint for sunset, but we've already gone the wrong way.
Yeah.
And it's very nearly sunset, so...
It literally is 20 minutes away and the sunset's in
20 minutes?
30 minutes.
That's fine.
So we don't have much time, but I'm sure we'll make it.
We found the right one this time.
Moving away to the sea for a getaway. Car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea. Moving away.
Oh, your face is wet.
By the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah.
Come to a different place for dinner. We were going to go back to Garlic 1992, but we thought we should change.
I persuaded Poppy that we probably should go somewhere different. Food's come. Delicious. Whoa. Okay, Miss Noodle. Yeah, I actually crushed it and then Poppy made me put it back together again for the photo. Good?
Morning. Morning. We're going kayaking. No, we're going snorkeling today. A snorkeling tour, but we're racing it down to 7-Eleven to grab some breakfast.
It's 8:30. We were supposed to be there between 8:30 and 8:45.
It's fine. And I've got a picture of the woman that we're meant to be meeting in McDonald's for the ticket. So got our food, checked in with the lady,
You've got a drink. You have not.
Yeah, they give you fruit on the boat. I just wasn't hungry. It was too early for me. And then we go.
She's drowning.
We made it. Just taking pics. Boat trip done, and for the third time we've come back to this cafe, Patchery. This time you've got hummus shakshuka. Look at the eggs. It's shakshuka and egg on a bed of hummus. It looks good, to be fair. Yeah. How is it? And I've got a salmon, avocado, tomato, cream cheese bagel. I've been really wanting a bagel. And it's down. Cut it in half, maybe. I can't. We've come for a sunrise kayak. Sunset kayak. But it's the most choppy I think we've ever kayaked on. No, it really isn't showing it, but it is wavier than it looks. You can do it.
You're not even doing it.
I can't feel that paddle. Yes, for God's sake.
Why not your mask? You are gonna tip that. If you tip this kayak.
Hold that.
If you tip this kayak.
I can't reach. We need a wave. I can see, you know.
What can you
I
see?
can see some corals, maybe.
Why don't you just get in? You're wearing your swimming costume.
But it is a bit murky.
Yeah.
And again, we've come back to Garlic 1992. We've recovered from the kayaking. It's a bit crazy. What have you got?
I know. Like most man, but spicier. Supposedly.
And I got a yellow curry and rice.
Cheers. Nice, spicy. Good.
Yeah, spicy.
I had a spicy bit. Morning.
Good morning.
We've checked out of our Phi Phi hotel, hostel room, and yeah, it's sad to be leaving. It's so nice here.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
And they're taking our rucksacks for us. There's like a porter who takes them to the pier, which is nice.
Yeah,
we usually, it is quite a long walk
It's
actually.
like a 20-minute walk.
I was warm just carrying it down from the room to the reception. We're gonna find some breakfast and then we go to Koh Lanta.
Yeah.
Woo. And for the fourth or fifth time, we're back in Patchery. One final breakfast. I ordered this smoothie. Carla doesn't know what it is. You have to guess the flavours.
Strawberry.
Yeah.
Maybe lemon.
Yeah. One more flavour.
It's got seeds, but I don't know if that's from the strawberry or if that's from something
I think it's from the other thing.
Well, it could be like dragon fruit or
Should I tell you?
Or kiwi.
Kiwi. Good.
It's good.
And we've got pastries today.
One more one, give me one.
Good. Just got off the ferry. We realised we now have to pay $10 to enter Koh Lanta.
Classic. We made it. We've got a cute little bungalow like one of these. Ow. Stood on something. You can tell it's low season because we haven't seen anyone else around yet, have we?
No.
No. But sea's just down here, although this is the rocky bit. We've got to go further to get to the beach. We're gonna go check the restaurant out, maybe get a snack.
Yeah, I'm pretty hungry.
Playing cards. I've got a milkshake. Little sprinkles on top.
Is it good?
Yeah, you want to try some?
Yeah.
And you've got some deep fried pineapple coming. Nice, isn't it?
Very chocolatey.
Fritters are here. Go on. Dip one in.
Already hot. Good?
We have come for a little walk to the beach. This is the most, like, it's wide. Like, this is the most that I feel like
Very tidal.
not even like I say normal beach, but like UK style beach that we've seen in a while, because it's quite rocky and it's very yellow sand. Also, all of these things, I don't know if you can see the patterns, but they're all little
Like this.
all these little.
Tiny balls that the crabs make.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if the crabs make, I think
No,
they're
I think they do to
air
get
bubbles,
but you
maybe?
can see. Wait,
Oh.
hold on. Tiny. Literally, look at how small that is.
trying to get back to the hostel, but every road is a dead end. There's either no road or it says no entry, so we've come through the no entry, but then the road was being resurfaced, so we've come out to the edge of the water and we're walking along this little thingy because this is all soft and the rain's coming in. So we walked along the front to avoid the roadblock, and we still ended up at the roadblock. I mean, there's kids playing all over it and with the digger. Can we just get round it? Oh, you're just going right over.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. There's literally a hole.
There's a hole in the road. We need to go back that way.
No, there's a hole there too. We would have had to.
Oh, so how do we get across? You're not jumping that. Oh, over here. Okay, let's go over. Oh my goodness. I'm across. Wait, how do we get across here? We can't get across here. Yeah, we followed the kids. They knew where they were going. There's a bit joining it here. Well, no wonder there's a roadblock. We're about to go out for dinner, but we've just come down to watch the sunset because you can see it right from the beach.
It's always so bright. You can never see it.
And it's actually saying right over Phi Phi where we were this morning. So we watched the sunset and now we've got a little makeover because we can't really get anywhere here without one, so we're going for dinner. It matches the shirt. That's cute.
Cute. I need to play in this a lot.
We're going for pizza.
Ow.
Cute little bite. It looks so small.
It's a Scoopy.
You love a Scoopy.
I love a Scoopy. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
Come to an Italian restaurant. We've got pizzas. We haven't had pizzas. We haven't had Western food in a little while actually. Wood fired. So good. Cheers.
It's really good. That is very good.
Yes.
It was on the top. What was it? 12 pizza restaurants in the world. Real good.
Morning. Morning. We're going out on the bike today to explore. This is our
Oh yeah, this
room.
is our
We
room.
haven't showed it.
Oh what?
Yeah, it's our room. And this is our view. We've got a little balcony porch bit, and the sea's just down there.
Yeah, you can see it. Oh, it's high tide.
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna head out to for brunch at a place that you found called.
You were struggling.
Can't talk this
You were
morning.
struggling.
What's it called? The place you found?
Two-tone coffee or something.
Oh, we'll
like
find
that.
out over
I
there,
don't
something
know,
like
yeah.
that.
I found like 12 different brunch places, screenshot them all,
And then I went
and then
through and
probably
picked
went
one.
through them and picked the cheapest one, basically.
Pretty much. I like your outfit today. It's very coordinated.
Thank you.
The browns and the green, the brown helmet. Very nice. Can't really see it from here. Lovely. And yeah, we're going now. It's about halfway down the island. It's called Loch Lac, not
Two-tone.
not two-tone. Loch Lac.
Maybe. Classic Pops ordering overnight oats, but look how good that though.
There isn't often overnight oats, so.
No, I know.
Not
But
classic.
if you could, you would order it every day.
And we got
They look so
the
good.
special drink.
Coconut, caramel coffee. Cheers.
And your waffles here. It looks so good. That's such a cute square.
Yeah.
And they bought us some little banana chips.
These are really nice. She's going in.
Well, I thought I've got my swimming stuff on. We're by the beach.
Yeah, why not?
Why not? It's
Why
very
not?
wavy, but
Let me know if it's warm.
not going far in.
Go on, run.
I
Run.
think it might actually be cold.
Run. No.
I'm out. That was good. Have you seen my cruise?
Oh my god.
I
That's
just
so bad.
I just sat down on the tuk-tuk with my bag and the weight of it like pushed me a bit and I just hit it on the thingy. With the waves were crashing against it, that's why I looked down. And look at it!
That's painful. Was it nice?
It was good, quite refreshing.
Good.
Liberating.
So done. Now do a backflip.
Carla just started dragging her foot along behind her in the sand and I was like, are you okay? And then realised she was trying to write our initials. Oh, and a little heart maybe? I think so. Oh, reversing, reverse. Very cute. P and C.
It's pretty good for my foot.
For your foot, yeah.
Finally got your shoes on?
Takes me a long time to get my trainers on.
What is this look?
Is that what I've been wearing?
It's not a look.
This is what I've looked like all day.
Oh god. Why is it tucked in?
Carla, this is what I've looked like all day.
Well, you look like a big toddler.
This is what I've been wearing all day. Look back at the videos. It was tucked in. What's wrong with that?
What's right with that? So many hermit crabs. It's like we saw that one the other day and now we're seeing them all.
Crabs everywhere.
Literally. This one's got the
this one
coolest
here.
shell. Yeah, they're everywhere.
Hey, look.
Literally all of these are...
Him and your friends.
Oh, you can't just throw him like
Yeah,
that.
he'll be with his friends.
This one's got the coolest shell. Look at this one here. Wow. I like that.
Carla's become a bit obsessed with the hermit crabs. We were mid-conversation and she just left me to take pictures. Good hermit crabs?
Yeah, there's loads.
So we've come for dinner at this little beachfront restaurant that you found called, I was going to say Pina Colada, no, Up to You.
Yeah.
And he has a little backstory which says he's a teacher from Bangkok and it's his dream to own a restaurant on the beach, and because of COVID he lost his old restaurant, so he's rebuilding this new one. And it says, I now try to start again, so sorry not everything looks very nice yet. Have a nice holiday. Yeah, it is cute. It's just like this.
Yeah.
And we're getting, they do like a DIY, not DIY, but
Kind of DIY.
choose your filling, choose your dish, and you've gone for a set menu.
Yeah,
spring rolls.
Masai curry. I think I've had 2 Masai curries and 1 Penang curry in the last like 3 days.
4 days.
4 days. Well, you know.
With a pizza in between.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm singing.
Okay.
What were you singing earlier?
Sky, so good. Red roses too.
We are getting the words wrong everywhere.
Yeah.
Wow, it got darker all of a sudden.
Where's my Batsy you? And the food's here. It's getting a bit dark, but here's my noodles.
Some
Haven't had.
mushrooms in there. You're gonna love
Yes,
that.
I'll have them. I haven't had noodles in a few days, so. And you've got another mess, man. And your little
Delicious.
spring rolls
Yeah.
are nice. Cheers. I love noodles.
That is good curry.
That's good.
That is really good flavour.
We need to try some.
Yeah, you need to try.
Sorry, swallowing. That food was real good, wasn't it?
I'd say it's one of the best Thai foods we've had.
Yeah, it's some of the best, I think maybe one of the best travellers I've had, other than the chocolate filled ones. And the cheese filled ones, other than that.
They don't count.
That was really good, we might come back here tomorrow. I don't know if you can see it. No, absolutely can't, but the green lights are over there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure we have a video of it. We saw basically the sky was green in Koh Phi Phi, and we were like, we thought it was the northern lights come really far south, but it's just lots of fishing boats with the green neon lights. They're
cool.
so bright. Yeah, and now we might get a chocolate lamp.
Might.
Well, I might. We'll see. Look at this ant carrying a peanut that came off our plate.
And he's got the big one. He's got the big one.
We just put one down for an ant to get. Oh my goodness.
Oh, he rolled over.
Oh no.
Should I help
How is he going to fit that through the crack?
I'll help.
There's an ant coming along. It's okay. There's an ant coming.
Oh, there's a big one.
Coming down.
Whoa.
This is actually mad. Where's the other one? How's he doing with that one? No, coming along.
Oh, they've rolled it over.
I think they'll get it through that hole. Where are they trying to get it to?
Down there. Or they're just living here, right there.
Good luck, guys. Good luck.
Good morning.
Morning.
Probably just spilt milk all down herself.
All down my
We were
legs.
sat outside. It's actually torrential raining, and she stood up and just knocked it everywhere. But yeah, we don't know what our plan is for the day, but it might change. I don't know if you can even see this, but wonderful.
Been raining all morning, but we're going out regardless. We're going for breakfast. Actually, at the same place we went to before. Look at that. What? Oh, there's a little fly going. Same breakfast place as before.
Sorry.
What are you doing?
I tried to blow the fly. I tried to blow it by accident.
Then we're going to go and explore the old town, I think, as long as it doesn't rain too much. We'll see.
So we're back at our fave spot and the drinks.
Thai milk tea and a Taiwan milk
I think this one's Taiwan and I think this one's Thai.
Should I mix it in? Or should I try a bit of it? It's going to be so strong.
That's going to be so strong.
It wasn't actually.
Oh.
Yeah, this is the Thai tea. They're orange.
Uh-huh.
Such
It looks
good
good.
swell.
Yeah, wow. Perfect.
Good Thai tea-ness.
Can't believe this is our last day on Koh Lanta already.
I know.
The
Well, we
sun's
leave
coming
tomorrow,
out
not
now.
today, but
Yeah.
it's just a
Yes,
travel
it's
day.
our last day. We leave at 7:30 AM.
Yeah, we
so
get there at 3 p.m.
It's definitely a
Travel day.
travel day.
And our waffles are here.
Mm-hmm.
They're so good. They're like waffles you get from like a fairground.
Very good.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's really good.
Where are you going? Thought you
Sitting
were
on it to
exploring.
close it.
Ready
Still
to see
didn't
that?
do it.
Ready to see the old town? It just doesn't work.
It doesn't work. Well, it does when we sit on it.
Giant blue lobster. Not sure what that represents, but she loves reading an evacuation route map.
Don't you want to be safe, just in case?
We're out for dinner at the same place we came to yesterday. We basically eaten at the same places every day because they were good and cheap. So
We literally find a place and then if it's good we stick to it.
pad thai, of course, and I've got a fried rice in a little mound.
Yeah, we actually, I don't think you've had a fried.
I've had one fried rice, I think, and a pineapple fried rice. The clouds are coming in though, so it can't be too long. Just a little, please.
The wind's blowing it away.
I know. I'll put some on more in a second. That's fine. Cheers.
Yes.
That's good.
Oh.
I just screamed and I ran and there was a giant spider and I tried to get it with the mug and it's run in the
Literally,
pocket
it's
of
run
my
into
bag.
the pocket of her bag.
No, because it's gonna like run out.
It's there.
Is it in?
Oh my god. It's like a crab. Oh, that was horrible.
It's not even that big now, like when you see it in there. But like, no, it's not even that big. We've had worse, bigger spiders in it, like at home than that. It might have just laid eggs in your bag.
Is it dead?
No.
It is. It's not moving.
Unless it's just... No, don't lift it
It's
up.
dead.
Well, you did squish it.
Could you open the door, please?